Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. If you're looking for a truck like this one, well, you found a dandy of one, I'll tell you. 2018, the Ram 1500 with the Hemi 5.7 liter motor. Stock number is T19931A. Let's show you the exterior and the interior on your virtual video walk around. Making our way around the passenger exterior, you're going to notice no dents, no dings, absolutely flawless. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life at no cost to you. How does that sound? This is the Rebel Edition. Now we're going to take our way and put you inside the interior. Give you a chance to take a look at that. Leather, I love the interior colors. Absolutely lots of leg room in the rear. If you're transporting friends or family, this is a sharp looking truck. With only 19,000 miles. Power seats, fully loaded. You know she's not going to last long, so do me a favor. For more info on this truck or any of the trucks in our inventory, call, email, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person, and hopefully we can earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying make it a great day.